Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the baby version of the Peely skin in Fortnite. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be really easy. Just gonna draw two eyes, and the eyes are gonna be the same as the regular version. So it's just basically two big circles, kind of close to each other. Alright, and then from there we're just gonna draw in his mouth. So I'm just gonna give him a little bit of a kind of like a little smile, slanting up, and then for the bottom lip, we're just gonna draw a U shape side to side. And then for the tongue inside, we're just gonna draw one little curve. Alright, and then now for his head shape, and we're gonna start on the side here. Just gonna draw like a little bracket, a little bit wider on the bottom. And then from there we're gonna go up and finish up the top first. So this one's gonna be a little bit shorter. We're just gonna pinch it inwards. And then on the top here, just kind of round it off, close it. And then here, I'm gonna draw one little curve from side to side from the corners. And then we're gonna give it one more segment here. So same curve on the bottom. Alright, so that's the tip, and for the little banana peels, just start on the side here, curve up, and then from this point here, just curve it back into the body. And let's draw one more here, so same thing, slight curve. This one's gonna be a little bit smaller. Curve it back into the body. Alright, so now let's continue on with the body, and the body is really simple. We're just going to continue with this line. Just kind of curve it back in. This is going to be all the way down to his hip, and it's almost the same size as this on the bottom. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in his arms. So come right around here. That's going to be his armpit. Come back up here, right across from the mouth. I'm gonna draw one big curve, go out, just come down and just kind of curve it back in toward here. Okay, and then we're gonna turn. That's gonna be his fist, his thumb here, and then right here we're just gonna draw one curve connecting that. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Armpit. Go back up here. One big curve coming down. Slant, slant. One little mark for the thumb. And then same thing here. From the armpit, just curve it and close it. Alright, so that's the upper body, and now for the bottom, it's really easy as well. So from the side here, right on the thumb area here, I'm gonna draw one curve coming down. So one big curve. This is gonna be his full leg. Okay, once we have that, come back to the middle. I'm gonna draw one line just for a little bit folding. And then from the middle here, curve all the way down past this line. Same thing here, curve all the way down here. Okay, and then from this space here, I'm gonna start here. Just gonna draw one big dome shape all the way around, touching that line there. And close it off. Same thing here, just one big dome shape. Close it. And then for the little detail on his knee, just gonna draw in almost like a little almond shape. So up and down. And that is it for this very simple to draw baby Peely. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.